Bespoke moulded earplugs. Are they worth the money or an expensive luxury? I'll tell you what I think. Hello folks, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the garage. Can I just say a great big thank you from the heart to my subscribers. It's much appreciated, and getting some comments from you is always a welcome, and it's nice to actually interact and to talk to you. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, please consider subscribing. Maybe even give that little notification and subscription button a nice little tickle. Last year I did a video on 3 types of earplugs: the foams, the pre-molded ones and the bespoke molded. This is just really focusing on the bespoke molded ones, and in particular these little gems from Custom Fit Guards. Ear protection is always of benefit, whether you're on a long ride, a commute, or simply out on the track. The difference to me is chalk and cheese. One of the guys at work, not passed his test that long, has been using earplugs of a similar design to these and has had no end of problems with them. We pulled into work together, and as he took his helmet off, one of these earplugs fell out. At which point there was then a tirade of Tourette as he tried to find it and was cursing the things. He asked me what I used, and I showed him these. These are bespokely moulded to your individual ears. Unlike other types of earplug where they may take time to expand, as in the foams or those other design that I showed you a second ago, they don't always give you a perfect snug fit, whereas these give you a snug perfect fit every time. This one has got a small dot on it, so that tells me this is my right one, and all I do is simply put it in the bottom into my ear hole and then tuck it in to the fold there. That's it, it's in. It's not going to move. Rubbing my ear like this, the plug still stays where I need it to be. You can take your helmet on and off and they won't move. To get them out, simple. Just put your finger in, pull and twist. These are Custom Fit Guards entry level one for motorbikes. Called the CF Motor Block, and current retail price is £79. You can get them in a variety of colours: black, blue, white, red, clear and orange. Personally, I always opt for a bright colour, yellow, orange, red, something like that, simply because if I drop them I can find it easily. They're made of 2 different types of medical grade silicone. The orange part is of a firmer silicone, and then this clear piece is of a softer, more malleable construction. The advantage you have there is the orange part gives you a good seal, and the clear part is nice, soft and comfortable. The silver piece of metal there is your actual blocker, so what that does is it actually blocks the noise. However, it doesn't block every single noise. It's not like a pair of foam earplugs which can block out too much noise. I was riding home from work the other day, come to a roundabout. The roundabout was busy, and I heard from behind me a police car. Looked in my mirror and there was a police car coming up behind me. I don't know how close that police car would have had to have been, and I'd been able to hear it if I'd been wearing something like a foam one. So for me, these are the very best form of ear protection that you can get when you're riding your bike. You can also get these with a lanyard attached. That's another 15 quid. When you buy them, they come in a nice little pouch, which is hard. Plugs just go in there, shuts up, and that fits nicely in a jacket pocket. There we go folks, only a short quick one today, but seeing as that previous video on earplugs has been quite popular, I thought I'd do one on the ones I actually use daily. Stay safe folks, and keep rubber side down. Till next time.